So let's answer some questions. Sabi dito ni AE1203, hello po, paano po kaya kapag 6 days na po kasi ako nagwe-wait? Nasa transaction record pero hindi pumasok sa Maya wallet ko. So masasuggest ko talaga dito is email. So para mas effective yung email mo, ganito yung gawin mo. I-screenshot mo yung transaction record, i-check mo kung nakalagay pending or successful, then i-email mo to sa support@maya.ph. Next is i-attach mo yung full details mo including your name, yung reference number ng transaction, yung phone number na nakaregister sa Maya account mo at yung mga screenshots mo. Ilagay mo sa subject title, Missing Funds Urgent. Make sure na nakakapitalize yung nakalagay mo na subject. So, Missing Funds dash urgent tapos lagyan mo ng exclamation mark. Para alam talaga nila na urgent talaga yan. Ngayon, ang gagawin mo na lang is mag-follow up ka every day hanggang ma-resolve yan. Kasi hindi nila i-close yung ticket pag hindi yan na-resolve. Don't worry, usually nare-resolve yan as long as may proof ka. So that's it for this video. I do hope na nasagot ko yung tanong mo at nakatulong ako. Like and follow for more help sa ganitong issues. Bye!